To embed your drop heater, follow these simple steps. Place the embedding flange plates on your chosen spot on the sauna bench. Make sure the end edges of the flange are against the wall. Mark the inner edge of the embedding flange onto the sauna bench boarding. Use the marked line as a guide and draw a second contour 52 mm outward. A 52 mm wide wooden block works well for this. Cut along the wider contour following the opening. Peel off the protective film from the screw opening spots. Use bolts and nuts to attach the brackets to the embedding flange plates. Install the embedding flange into the cut opening, adjusting the cut edge if needed. Secure the brackets to the boards using screws. Measure 380 mm from the embedding flange and mark the height. Install the drop wall mount, aligning the upper edge with the markings. You're ready to put the drop heater onto the wall mount. Remove the remaining protective film from the embedding flange. That's it, you're all done. For further questions, please visit our website www.HUUMSauna.com or contact your local reseller.